Welcome, today you've heard of me, HUAWEI P50 Pro, and I'll show you how to unmute ringtone on this device. So first you should go into the settings and then tap on the sounds and vibrations. Here as can you see, we got our ringtone in muted mode. So just to unmute your ringtone, you should swipe this white dot to the right side with your finger. And also we can make it by the second way, just by use our volume buttons here on the right side of our device. Here, but be sure that here in the default volume button control you got selected the ringtone, not the medias. And now just by using your up volume button, press here, and by this way you can also unmute your ringtone. So that's it, that's how it looks. Thank you guys for watching, and if you found this video helpful, don't forget to leave a like, comment and to subscribe our channel.